Welcome back. This is all about meditation, sitting in silence. Even if it's just 2 minutes a day, 5 minutes a day, sometime throughout the day, finding a little bit of time to take yourself into a meditation, to still the mind, to still the thoughts, and to allow yourself to connect to the rhythm of life all around you. So this is often a lot of people's biggest challenge, is just finding the time in the mornings to sit down and to meditate, because there are so many distractions from our phones, from our family members, from our animals, our pets, the news. Usually when we wake up in the morning, it's just go, 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 go. So we want to try and find a little bit of time early on before all these activities to try and sit in silence for just a little while. For me, this has been the hardest practice to cultivate over the last 20 years of teaching yoga. And I must say, it's been one of the hardest ones to automate. But now that it is automated, it has made such a difference in my life. It has freed up so much time and space in my day for me to be more productive and proactive in getting things done and staying a lot more sane. So how to go about it and how to make it a daily practice. My top 2 tips for you are really start small and easy. So even if it's just 2 minutes, do it. Build it up from there. Then in a week's time, move to 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Just see if you can start making it a regularity in your morning daily routine, and then allow it to build size-wise from there. And the other tip that I have from you is that what I love is I use the Insight Timer app. There are so many other meditation apps available. I just really enjoy the Insight Timer one. Using an app can be really helpful because there are guided meditations around. You just choose the one in the morning, pop play, and you step into and you sit down for your meditation. So those are my 2 tips for you to get your meditation happening every day. And I invite you to catch me in the next video, where we're going to explore all things related to healthier eating guidelines. What is that all about? I'll see you then.